Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert ETH to USDT in MEXC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in MEXC, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, converting ETH or Ethereum to USDT or Tether on MEXC, a crypto exchange for those who are new here, can be very advantageous for a lot of reasons. Because number one, USDT is a stable coin pegged to the value of the US dollar. Of course, converting ETH to USDT can protect your funds from the high volatility associated with cryptocurrency, offering a more stable asset during market fluctuations. Now, for us to be able to convert ETH to USDT, you can do that on the MEXC app on your mobile device. You can also do that on the MEXC client or the app for Windows. But also, if you're comfortable using your computer, just go to their official website. And I need you to go to the search button here and type in ETH to USDT. That's going to be on the second results, wherein you'll see the perpetual. I want you to click on it. All right. Now, from here, if the value of ETH right here has increased since you purchased it, converting it to USDT will allow you to lock into your profits without exposing them to further market risks. Now, you will be given two options here. You have the buy crypto and deposit. For example, you wanted to buy the crypto. You will be directed to a new window or a page, wherein all you're going to do is, for example, you wanted to put in an amount, for example, that's going to be US dollars, and you get this conversion to USDT, right? But instead, I need you to click on the sell option just beside that, and you would be able to convert the ETH to USDT. Now, you need to search for the ETH here. Now, once you've done that, all you're going to do is select this crypto, and that's going to be ETH to USDT or vice versa. And all you're going to do is get your Bitcoin address or your wallet address and just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be able to convert ETH to USDT in MEXC without any problem. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.